That is like super impressive.
Hey, what's up? My name is Josh. This is my 2015 Toyota Tundra I built a few years back. It's quite a big Tundra compared to most of them, but I'm rolling a 12-inch lift with a 3-inch body lift on it. So the one drawback on the truck since I've lifted it, put on the 12-inch lift and wheels and tires, is really the lag in the truck and the lack of throttle response and just acceleration, getting on the freeway, pulling out of driveways or anything like that. So I'm here at Banks today to put on the new PedalMonster, which I'm really excited because I really want to see what the difference is going to make. So what I like about our PedalMonster is that it's powered through the OBD port. It's not powered through the pedal connection like the other guys, which can cause a check engine light. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect our connection from the main pedal. There we go. And then we're gonna connect it to our PedalMonster, like so. And then we'll take the adapter and plug this into our pedal. Like so, and there it is. So the next step is plugging our OBD cable into the PedalMonster. Just like that. All right, so now we're just gonna plug the OBD cable into our OBD port. There we go. All right, it looks like it's working. All right, so I've driven the truck in stock mode for quite a while. I know how that feels. So we're gonna go straight to city mode and let's bump it up 5 notches here. There we go. And let's give it a try, see what it does, how it feels. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's, wow, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's rad. That's just in city mode with only a couple. That's pretty good. That's awesome. All right, let's flip around and then we'll turn it up a couple notches and we'll try it again. So we have to come to a complete stop to change it up real quick. So now we're in city. So let's go to sport mode. Let's go ahead and bump it up a couple more. I mean, right now we're rolling on 40-inch tires with 22-inch wheels, so on a 12-inch lift. So it dogged pretty hard before, so I'm really anxious to see what it's like now, all right? All right, let's go. Oh, shit. Wow. Holy shit, that is like super impressive. Woo. Yeah, man, it sounds really good. That's instant. That is instant. That's incredible. It definitely feels like the truck has way more just pop to it, more pizzazz, more go, like get up and go just instantly. That's pretty awesome. All right, we'll go into the next one up, which is track mode. This isn't much of a track truck, but we're gonna go to track mode. So wait till it stops. We come to a complete stop, switch to track mode, and we're on full power right now. Should we leave it at full power or take it down? Okay, we're gonna leave it at full power. All right. Holy shit. Damn. Wow, even the shifting just feels a little bit more instant and right on. It's still super smooth, but woo. Holy crap. I mean, that is super surprising. It definitely, I mean, I had high expectations. It fulfilled the expectations, no question. That's awesome. God, even just like partial throttle, if you just barely, just give it a little bit, it's right there. Something when you're not used to. I mean, just usually you're used to driving the truck stock and you're coming out of a corner and you give it gas and you have that little bit of lag, but with this, I mean, when you come out of the corner and you give it gas, it just goes. It just goes. There's no lag. It almost feels like an electric car, you know? You get into an electric car, it just has like instant go. That's what this has. It's like instant go. Holy shit. Yeah, that's awesome, dude. Super cool. I love it.